Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday I told you about different types of food. Bodybuilding food, energy giving food, protective food. Bodybuilding food. It helps us to grow well. Examples are milk, pulses and so on. Energy giving food. It gives us energy to work and play. Milk, honey, nuts are some examples. Protective food. It keeps us healthy and protect us from various diseases. Examples are milk, vegetable and fruits. Sometimes you feel weakness or you appear dull or feel sick. If yes, then you might be suffering from improper and unhealthy eating habits. Now, what is the solution for this? The answer is the topic we are going to read today, that is balanced diet. Now, let us read what is written here. Different kinds of food have different roles to play in our body. To keep healthy, we must eat different kinds of food in right quantity. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet what you eat that contain the right amount of all the food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product and proteins. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. Why healthy diet is important for us? A balanced diet is important because your organs need proper nutrition to work. Children with a poor diet run the risk of growth and development problem and poor academic performance. To keep healthy, we must eat different kinds of food in right quantity. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Excess and shortage of any kind of food can cause ill health. What is example of balanced diet? An Indian thali with the pulse, rice, chapati, curd, eggs, vegetables and salad is an example of balanced diet. How to achieve a balanced diet? The core of a balanced diet are foods that are low unnecessary fats and sugar and high in vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. The following food groups are essential part of a balanced diet: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, dairy products, oil and other food products. The food that we eat on a regular basis forms our diet. A balanced diet contains balanced amount of all the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals together with water. A balanced diet is essential for healthy growth and development of our body. My dear kids, let's have a quick recap. A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet what you eat that contain the right amount of all the food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product and protein. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. My dear kids, Today your homework is write and learn what is balanced diet. It's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.